Hey everyone, Mike Volpe here from HubSpot, and we're going to talk quickly about how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. Alright, so there's really two basic things that you want to think about in terms of optimizing your profile on LinkedIn from an SEO perspective. The first thing is that there's actually a way to customize the URL of your profile. So you'll see here I'm logged in and I have clicked on Edit My Profile. And that has allowed me to jump into this screen where I can edit my profile. And so right here you see this public profile link, and mine is a nice, good SEO optimized link URL. So it ends with Mike Volpe, and that's my name, and so that's a good link. And you'll notice here this edit button. For those of you who haven't set this up, this is a really important thing to set up, and you can just click on that edit button. By default, LinkedIn gives you one that's a string of letters and numbers and just, sort of gobbledygook text. And you should customize that to something like your name or something like that. Get some good keywords into that URL. So that's the first thing, and that's really easy to do. You just click on this edit button and it'll take you right there and do it. The second thing that you want to look at optimizing are these links right here. So underneath websites, you can have up to 3 links. And you see here I've got one link for my company, my website, and my blog, and I can edit each of these links. Now what's interesting is you can not only have those links, and those links do appear on your public profile, and they do get indexed, and they do pass SEO authority. So those are good links, and you might as well use all 3 and send them places that you want to send some SEO authority. But beyond that, you can actually customize this text, so you can also control the anchor text of the link. Now, the vast majority of people in the world use the default links from LinkedIn, which are these: my company, my website, my blog. But let's go ahead in there, and I'm going to click that edit button, and it takes you to the screen where you can edit those. So here we have my company, my website, my blog. And obviously, in the links that were appearing before, this link to HubSpot.com was showing up, the anchor text is my company. Well, what you'll notice here, if I change this to other, this other box pops up. And I could put the name of my company, but I could also do something like add some anchor text. And what this will do is we'll actually change that link to be, the anchor text of the link to be HubSpot Internet Marketing. And so I could actually go ahead and change for all of these links. I actually already know the anchor text that I want for each of these links. And then this is HubSpot TV, and the anchor text I want for that one is Marketing Video Podcast. Making sure to spell everything correctly. And then if I go ahead and save this, you'll see that it will go ahead and update those links. So great, so now I've got the right anchor text here. And just to show you, in case you don't believe me, I'm going to pop over to another web browser here and go back to that public profile link. So you see, here we go. Now I've got a fully optimized profile here. So I've got my nice keywords in the URL, and then if I go down here to these websites, I've got links with great anchor text. These are follow, good SEO, passing authority, good links, and they're headed off to these websites. So great, so that was just a couple quick minutes on how to optimize your profile for LinkedIn.